Introducing the corded power sweeper with trashing, the perfect tool for efficient and effortless cleaning. First, plug the machine into a power source using the extension cord. The brush machine comes with multiple settings, allowing you to adjust to the right mode for your specific cleaning needs. Once you've set the correct mode, the machine is ready to go. To operate, press the safety button on the right side of the handle. Once pressed, you can pull the lever, activating the brush. Now you're ready to sweep. Just guide the sweeper over the areas that need cleaning and watch it pick up dirt and debris effortlessly. Walk forward and back on the same line for optimal results. Once you're done cleaning or see that the bag is full, lift the lid and remove the waste bag attached to the back of the machine. Then empty the contents with ease. The corded brush machine, efficient, powerful, and designed to make your cleaning tasks easier than ever.